Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm going to making this dish which is called Manchurian chicken. It is an Indian Chinese dish. Okay, so here I have about 500 grams of boneless chicken that I've cut up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now, so first you have to marinate this. Add in some white pepper, just a little bit for flavor. Okay. Then add in some salt to taste. Okay. Next add in, now this is optional. I'm adding in red chili powder. This will give it a little bit spice to it. Now depending on how much chicken you're using, I'm using about 500 grams. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of red chili powder. To this, you add in 1 egg. Okay, so just mix all this up, then marinate it for about half an hour. Here are the other ingredients that you will need to make the Manchurian chicken. This is about 3 garlic that I chop up, 1 carrot that I cut up into thin slices, okay, 1 capsicum, green pepper, 1 onion that I quartered it and then make into petals. Okay. You can add any other vegetables. You can use cauliflower, you can use broccoli and all that if you want. Then you will need oyster sauce, light soya sauce, and some vinegar. That's all the ingredients you need, and of course some salt. And last of all, to thicken the whole dish, you add in a corn slurry to the thickness that you like. Okay, to begin, heat up some oil. So while the oil is heating up, add in to your marinated chicken about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix this all in and then you can fry. So once your oil is hot enough, okay, put in your chicken piece by piece. Don't put all in, it'll stick together. So fry this on a medium fire until it's nice and brown. So once it is brown like this, you drain the oil out and just take it out. Take it out, set it aside. Okay, heat up some oil and first of all fry your garlic. Fry your garlic until the raw smell is gone. Okay? Okay, once the garlic is fried and the raw smell is gone, add in your hard vegetables first. Mix this up all well. Just fry it a little bit until the outside starts getting fried. Okay, once the outside is getting fried a little bit, outside is getting fried a little bit, add in about ½ cup of water. Okay, this is to soften the vegetables. At the same time, add in your sauces. I'm adding in about 1½ teaspoons of oyster sauce. Okay. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then add in 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Okay, light soya sauce, about I add in 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, 1.5 tablespoons. Sorry, I keep saying teaspoon, it's tablespoon. Okay. Then I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This one exactly 1 tablespoon. Okay. So mix this up well. And then just cover it and let the vegetables cook until it's soft. Okay, once the vegetables are getting soft, you can add in all your onions. All your onions and all of the fried chicken. And mix this up well. Now you're going to let this simmer a little bit so that the chicken absorbs all the liquid. And the onions get a little bit soft, but it stays crunchy. Okay, once it's cooking already, everything you mix up well, you have enough water. Make sure you add some salt. Okay, just taste it and add a little bit of salt. Okay, to your taste. That should be sufficient. Okay, mix it up well. And it's done already, except now you're going to add the cornstarch slurry. So mix some cornstarch with a little bit of water and just pour that in, okay, to the thickness level that you want. Okay, mix it up and see whether it's to your thickness. Also, this will help. You see, it sticks to the, you will start sticking to the chicken. Okay, and make it nice and shiny. Okay, that's it. The dish is done. Now you can off the fire and serve it with hot rice. So, this is Manchurian chicken. So now, can check it, can voila. Bye everybody.